My name is Tanisha Tyson. I'm the owner and director of Follow the Sun Child Care, and it's located in Greenville, North Carolina. The thing I'm most proud of with the Farm to ECE activity is the farmers market. We did a pop-up farmers market at our child care center. We had thought about it, but it was just going to be like the children selling maybe a cucumber to a parent in the afternoon during pickup, just something small. But we put it on social media, and it just grew. It was a big deal. Even one of the people who's running for mayor in our city, she even came out to support the kids. A local media company called me the day of and said, can we come out and take pictures of your farmers market? We saw it on your Facebook page. Channel 9 News came and did an interview with us and did a story on our farmers market. Our local Chamber of Commerce, they came and took pictures and put it in their publication. And it was just a big deal. We were kind of like the talk of the town. People I didn't even know reached out to me. Like it's a local exhibit in one of the towns nearby. The lady saw us on Facebook and she saw us on the news. And so she inboxed me and said, can I come talk to your kids about how slaves used the crops that you're growing on their journey to freedom? So she's from the Washington Underground Railroad. It's in Washington, North Carolina. And she came to the center and she bought watermelon and showed the kids how slaves used watermelon to cook chicken, how they used sunflowers as clues that, too many eyes are watching, so you need to lay low. How if they saw a turnip on the ground, they would know that someone's going to turn up soon to come and help you to the next destination. So it was like one thing just connected to another. It was just a learning experience in all areas. The county team and the affinity groups were awesome. Like they were like there not just for like the resources, the things that we needed, but information-wise. The local collaboration team, the affinity groups, and our local Martin Pitt partnership, they were like so instrumental in helping us get things started. The people from the farmers market were really patient with the children. They answered questions. They talked to them about all the foods, and they were just really patient. They were so nice. So when the teachers came back and told me about how nice the people were, I was like, we should have a farmers market. It was like more than just our center. We partnered with the local farmers from the farmers market. And a lot of our parents are low-income families who receive EBT. So that gave them an opportunity when they come pick their children up from child care, they can use their EBT card. So we had a lot of parents that left out with bags full of collards and tomatoes and cucumbers and whatever else that we had to sell. And so it just like really gave parents the opportunity to even try things they wouldn't normally buy themselves in the grocery store. So the fact that it was at the center and they can get it there without having to stop to the grocery store on the way home, it just made it available to them. If we can give them recipe cards with like something quick and easy you can do at home, using the fresh vegetables and fruit that you bought from our farmers market, just different things like that. And even the children, a lot of times people don't think children are paying attention, but they are. Like for snack, we have like apples. So a little boy, he was eating his apple, and he said, I'm going to save my seeds and I'm going to grow apples. Like that was such a big deal in the center because he made the connection that, hey, apples come from seeds, and that's something he would have thought about before. It was like making the connection, coming full circle. It was such a big deal. Like this whole experience has been a big deal, not only for the kids, but for the staff and it's for me too, and our parents too. Like we were like the talk, like I said, the talk of the town. People were bragging on us. I think this would be an awesome thing for other centers to do. There was so many teaching opportunities during this whole experience.